Delta Electronics Thailand is Thailand's largest electronics manufacturer, listed on the Stock Exchange of Thailand. Established in 1988 and now part of Delta Inc., Delta is a global leader in power supply and DC brushless fan technologies. By leveraging our expertise in power electronics, we have developed smarter solutions for applications in sectors including AI, industrial automation, green building, EV charging, and renewable energy. Our products and solutions have industry-leading energy efficiency aimed at mitigating negative impact on the environment and fulfilling our mission to provide innovative, clean, and energy-efficient solutions for a better tomorrow. Our relentless commitment to this mission and our ongoing success are reflected in our business performance. Delta Electronics Thailand has established world-class research and development centers in Thailand, India, Germany, Scotland, and the United States to serve our global client base. Delta's green technologies and products are divided into 4 business categories. In response to the needs arising from global megatrends, the categories are power electronics, mobility, automation, infrastructure, we believe in the power of technology and collaboration to realize our brand promise: smarter, greener, together. Delta's diverse portfolio of energy-saving integrated solutions has helped our customers around the world to increase their competitiveness. Delta leads by example, creating green factories using our own energy-efficient products and green solutions. As a global citizen, Delta empowers communities and collaborates with stakeholders to fulfill our goals in environmental conservation, inclusive education, and sustainable growth. Delta's sustainable development strategy and actions have been earning many recognitions from Thai and international organizations. This is Delta.